Hi again everyone, and welcome back to our idioms video series. Today's idiom is the elephant in the room. And yes, it does sound a bit strange. It means an embarrassing fact or truth that people don't want to talk about. Watch the following clip from YouTube to show the meaning of the elephant in the room. Enjoy!
When it comes to our finances, let's be honest, there's an elephant in the room. For too many Americans, that elephant is debt, and it's stealing time and energy and hope from people just like you.
And here are a few more examples to show it used in other settings. Number 1. Guys, you're not going to sit here and pretend there's not a huge elephant in the room, because this really needs to be dealt with. 2. Okay, listen. The elephant in the room is the mediocrity that I've seen in your work over the last few months. It's just nowhere near good enough, and it needs to change now. Mediocrity, by the way, is another way just to say something is not a very high standard. Number 3. I'm glad we're finally able to talk about the elephant in the room. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. So, until next time, take care and be happy.